We're not going to go into loops in too much detail because it's quite an advanced technique, but essentially a loop is how you repeat a certain part of the song forever if you so wish. There's two ways of doing it. Here's pad mode button. If you press it, it shows you which one of these four is lit up, and you might notice there's manual loop and auto loop. Forget about sampler and this one for the time being. I'm going to use manual loop first. At the moment on the screen, hopefully you can see there's nothing unexpected. But if I hit the in button on a beat, I start getting that blue line. If I then hit out, you see it instantly starts to loop back to the in and to the out, and it's perfect. It loops that forever. But I don't know if you noticed, and this is a really nice tip for you here. The tempo here was at 97.0. It's now at 97.2, meaning the computer thinks that's just speeded up. The tempo is increased. It hasn't, because I haven't changed the speed. What that means is that the loop must be ever so slightly too small, so it's playing too fast. You can now see these lights are all lit up. I've got the in point and the out point, and whether or not I've got the loop on and off. If I hit the out point now, the out point stops moving on the screen and it enters a separate mode where I can use the platter to decrease where the out point is, or increase it. If I use it to make the tempo to exactly what it was before I was setting the loop, 97.0, now I know that that loop is perfect. Press out again, stop it flashing, we go back to the loop moving. Tiny difference, but were I beat matching that loop to a song, I would have noticed that had I not had it exact 97.0. I can then turn the loop off and it'll carry on playing. If I go back to a cue point, I can turn the loop back on as well and it'll jump into it. Because it's on, as it gets to it, it'll automatically loop here as well. If I want, I can save loops. Check your manual or Google for that. We're not going to go into that on this video.
In tracks.